Hey, there is a big problem in Google Search Console that you cannot get a keyword cannibalization report in the native interface. For sure you can build the templates in Looker Studio, however they have a certain weaknesses. In Sitechecker we have fixed it by building a report that will show you keyword cannibalization for all of the pages on your website. Here you can check all the data faster and for all of the projects you have in one place. Here's how it works. By default, the list of keywords is sorted by the number of pages that rank by the keyword from maximum to minimum. The cell with the number of pages is also a button. You can click on it to view all the pages and their metrics. One of the must-have approaches is sorting the keywords by the top page impressions percentage. The lower the percentage, the higher the probability that the real cannibalization takes place. In other words, if we see almost the same percentage of impressions share between multiple pages, this means that you will need to select pages that really need to rank for this keyword and review the content of the other pages. You can also click on any pages to view its search metrics and all ranked keywords in one click, without reloading the page. We have also built additional charts you cannot get in the native Google Search Console interface, and here you can choose the time period you want to see the data for. This way you can, for example, run experiments and see how changes in the content influence the keyword positioning. Although this report is great, there are some pitfalls. First, additional blue links under the main landing page are also counted as impressions and clicks. Unfortunately, we can't detect and filter such type of impressions in Google Search Console. So you have to be careful. Some cannibalization is not an issue. It's okay and even good news that Google shows additional links under the main one from your website in the search results. The second is that if you run an international website, you will see that different language versions are shown by the English keyword. In most cases it's okay too, but you can simply set up the country filter in order to exclude them from the report. This feature is available for every plan starting from basic in Sitechecker, so feel free to run a free trial and try it from your side. And in case you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And if you still have any other questions, feel free to reach out to me at support@sitechecker.pro. See you in the next videos.